Hey family, welcome to my channel. My name is Ekando. If you're new here on my channel, feel free to join the family by clicking the red button right down below and the bell notification so you never miss a video. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna be doing a natural everyday look coupled with a red lip, a bold red lip. So guys, let's get right into the tutorial. So I've already applied my eyebrows, I've already done my eyebrows off camera, and I've applied my primer. I just fused it in my skin, and now I'm just applying foundation. And the foundation I'm using today is the Kiss Beauty 8-in-1 Magic foundation. Yeah, I always use this foundation. I'm just going to use a damp beauty blender to blend out the foundation, and I'm just going to apply it until I get the coverage that I want. So I won't be getting like a full coverage, but I'll just be applying lace foundation today. Yeah. So yes guys, this is how my skin is looking like after applying foundation. And now that I'm done applying foundation, I'm going to highlight my face using the Iman Pro concealer, and I'm just going to apply that right beneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my pubic bone, my chin, my forehead, and as well as my lower cheekbone to create the reverse contour. And to blend the concealer, I'm going to use the same damp beauty blender I used to blend out my foundation. So to add some depth to my face, I decided to contour using the Gulflower highlight and contour palette. And from this palette, I'm just going to use the darkest shade and mix it with a little bit of some black eyeshadow. So I'm just gradually going to apply this contour on my cheekbone, my forehead, my nose, as well as my lower jawline, to create some depth and bring back my natural shade. So this actually helps to balance out my face makeup, the contour versus the highlight kind of situation. that I'm done contouring, I left my concealer just so that I could leave it so that it could diffuse right into my skin. And then now I'm going to set my concealer using the Kiss Beauty Nude. Oh, sorry, using the Naked for Urban Decay Age Defying Pressed Powder. So I'm just going to use my brush just to put apply this setting powder. So I'm just going to apply it on all the areas where I highlighted using my concealer. Pretty much all over my face, but concentrating on the parts I highlighted. And since today's look is a natural everyday look, not going to do too much on my eyelid. So I'm just going to add some depth by using a black eyeshadow from the Kiss Beauty Eyeshadow Studio. So I'm just going to apply it on the outer corner, on the outer V corner of my eye, and then I'm just going to blend it in with my circular brush. And that is pretty much what I'm going to do with my eye makeup. I'm not applying anything so dramatic. This tutorial is an everyday look, natural, and yeah, so this is what I'm going to do, and that is pretty much it. And then to complement the look, I decided to go in with some glow. This is a gold copper glow. So I'm just going to add it on my tear duct area to create a highlight. And then I'm just going to line my eyes with a gel eyeliner from the MAC Gel Eyeliner Studio, and yeah, that is it. So for the lips today, I'm just going to line my lip with a Kylie lip liner. So it's in the shade brown. So I'm just going to line my lips, and then I'm going to add my velvet a little okay guys, I'm going to show it here on the screen, and then I'm going to link it in the description box as well, the name of the lipstick, the red lip which I used. So I'm just going to apply the red lip after lining my lips with this lip liner, and then after I apply the matte red lipstick, I'm just going to go through to line my lips as well again with my lip liner from Kylie Cosmetics. And yeah, that is it with this tutorial, guys. Guys, I really love the quality of this lipstick. It's a matte lipstick, but it doesn't crack when it dries. It dries down perfectly. Yeah, it doesn't leave your lips feeling dry but moisturized. So I really love this lipstick. You guys should check it out, and I'm going to link it in the description box. So I'm just going to so right now I'm just going through to line my lips to create like an ombre effect on my lip. Yeah. And now friends, this is the last portion of this tutorial. I'm just adding some highlight on my cheekbone, and I'm going to add the highlight on my nose area as well as the tip of my lips. So this is it with this tutorial. I hope you guys love this look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you watched. And thank you so much for watching right until the end. I love you guys, and yeah, if you want me to be doing more natural tutorials on my channel like this ones, let me know down in the comment section, or you can send me a message on Facebook, on Snapchat, or Instagram. Yeah, I'm going to leave my account infos in the description box, so make sure you guys connect with me. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, click the red button and the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all, and stay safe. Mwah.